Hello and welcome to the first new Mav Media tutorial. My name is Elaine Venter. I'm the instructor for this course, and while this is targeted towards my students specifically, this is really open to anyone out there. So today what I'm going to cover really quickly is how to create an audiogram, which is to say you're turning your audio into a video that you can then share on social media. These have been really great intriguing ways by which to share podcasts on Instagram. Maybe not the full thing, but to utilize it as, like, for example, if you want to put a clip and then let people know, hey, this is my podcast is up. Instead of just having a picture, now you can actually upload a clip onto your Instagram or your Twitter, and people can hear that, and you can have many different kind of customizations to make that look interesting and engaging, and possibly get more people interested. So that's what we're going to do today, and we're going to use Sparemin Headliner. I actually found this through Instagram, and I've actually fallen in love with their really simple system, and also it's free, which is really great. I love that about it. So we're going to create an audiogram. Don't worry about any of these. Go straight to audiogram, which that is what gives you the waveform. Make sure that you already have your audio recorded. You don't need to have your visual necessarily recorded. You'll see here they have this background image. They've just created, you can use a stock image. But for this example, I actually created a custom image real quick to utilize and show you that once you get really custom, you can do that. So I've already have a little recording ready to go. We'll open that. Upload it. Now you'll get 3 different kinds of choices for your aspect ratio. YouTube and websites. Square, which is great for Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and Portrait, which is great for Instagram stories and Snapchat. All of these are really fantastic elements. I utilized an Instagram example the other day on my open Instagram, el_venter, and I'll have that in the description box. You'll actually see what that looks like. But for this one, I want to do a YouTube and websites one, since this will be on YouTube. So we'll click there. So this is what you get. You get wave position, wave color, background image, and things like that. Since I already know what my image is, we'll just go and download that. The fantastic thing is the students are the ones who kind of came up with an agreed design here on the logo. And I just stole that. Illustrator just quickly made some text. So that's what this looks like now. We want to maybe move that. So let's not play. I know that I want it at the bottom. Color here I want to change. I want to have that color, this color. So I already knew that I wanted to do this. So I had all of this open. So you can make a color anything you want, which is fantastic. I'm just going to do that. So now it kind of looks matched, which is great. So the last thing I need to do is select my wave type, what's really going to work for what I want. And there's a lot of different options here. I think I'm going to go with bricks. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with bricks. So create project, and then you're just going to wait for it to import your audio. And as soon as it's done that, now you go to your video editor. So here goes. This is what it looks like. And if you'll see here on this side, your transcript will be ready soon. It's busy transcribing your audio, which is a fantastic plus for social media such as Facebook, and I would even say Instagram, because Facebook auto-loads videos on mute automatically. So if you just have this, just the waveform happening, it looks interesting, but is someone actually going to unmute it to hear what was happening there? Not sure. Also, are they in a place in which they could unmute that? Not really sure. So I always prefer captions with videos, which I always tell my students to do that. And I think I didn't make the design really well to include my caption anywhere. Another thing, you'll want to make sure that you read the caption. If you want a caption, then you'll want to read the transcription and make sure that it's accurate. Mine is not accurate. I already knew that it wouldn't be, so I already have my script ready to go. And when I did this the first time, all I have to do is just copy paste mine. But I was prepared for this. You might not be as prepared, and that's fine. Just know that you should probably always work with a script when you're going to do some audio, because that way you're just better prepared and it'll take a lot less time. So there we go. So now that's pretty accurate. If we want to do captions, we could turn it on, go to style, and then you can select your styles. There are many different styles. On this one, you can also edit it. so that it looks like that a bit. Might be a bit big with the bars. The problem is you can move this one around wherever you need it. So I don't know, maybe we'll... I didn't quite think of my design in there, but it's just a quick tutorial, so you get the idea though. We'll just go with default and see how that goes. So this is what it looks like when we have it in default. It's actually not too bad. I am a big fan of animation. You can do this so that it changes it. I just like to make it a soft gray so that there is a note that it's changing, that something's happening. There you go. So that's what it would look like. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. I might actually change that to the dark background style and put that way down here. Bring it down a bit to where it can go all the way. And then customize. You can even customize everything. We can change the font size. Let's go to 28. Font color, whether you want it bold, as background, all sorts of things. I mean, they've given you a lot of options, which I think is pretty fantastic for making it free. Okay. Should move this a little bit up here. Since the bars don't come up too high, that's actually going to work. Ooh, getting there, getting there. All right, I am pretty happy with that. I think I'm going to be okay with that. I mean, it seems like a lot going on with the bars and the caption, actually, because I'll be honest with you, it is a lot going on. But I want to showcase the different kinds of options that you get with this. So make your design better than mine. But here's the idea in terms of this is then what you could share online. This is what you can... I've been noticing a lot of podcasts onto YouTube. And so for those of you who want to do that, you want to put your podcast onto YouTube as well. This is a way through which you can do it, which I think is great. So once you feel like you're done and you're ready to go, you just click the export button. And there you go. It will send you a copy to an email address. You can select frame rates, video quality, video size. If you have an intro and an outro, you can add that. I'm not going to do that for the sake of simplicity, so we'll just generate that. Takes a little while. I'll probably just skip through this part and show you the final product. Hello and welcome to New Mav Media. We're all about innovation, collaboration, and drive. In this class, students learn how to better strategically utilize new media or emerging media elements such as social media and creating new or different kinds of audio and video content.